And now to the latest on the missing mom investigation. The couple charged in connection with the disappearance of Jennifer Dulos will be in court later this morning.
Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Carolina Cruz is live at Stanford Superior Court with more on the case on this 18th day in the search for Jennifer. Carolina?
Good morning. Well, Jennifer's estranged husband, Fotis Dulos, he still hasn't been able to post his $500,000 bond. His girlfriend, though, Michelle Troconis, she bonded out just last week. Court marshals in Stanford prepared yesterday for the crowds expected at Stanford Superior Court later this morning. The two suspects charged in this case, Fotis Dulos and Michelle Troconis, face evidence tampering and hindering prosecution charges based on surveillance video of a man resembling Dulos throwing out trash bags in the north end of Hartford with a woman resembling Troconis. Arrest warrants state investigators also found attempts to clean up blood evidence at the mother of five's New Canaan home. The search for Jennifer hasn't stopped since she went missing May 24th. Detectives have received more than 300 tips and most recently launched an email and website solely dedicated to this case. Meanwhile, Dulos' attorney, Norm Fotis, is preparing his case. He claims his client, Jennifer's estranged husband, Fotis Dulos, wasn't at Jennifer's home in New Canaan the day she disappeared. He also claims Michelle Troconis wasn't there either.
People have concluded that Mr. Dulos was both present and did, in fact, engage in unlawful conduct. Based on what I've learned in the last 72 hours, I'm not prepared to assume that's the case any longer.
In court today, we expect that high-profile attorney Norm Fotis to ask for what he calls a substantial reduction in the bond, and it would help Dulos bond out if a judge approves that motion. And we'll be in court today, so be sure to stay tuned with us on air and on our Channel 3 app. For now, reporting in Stanford, I'm Carolina Cruz, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
And as authorities continue to search for Jennifer Dulos, the Farmington home she once shared with her estranged husband remains up for sale. We spoke to real estate broker Rob Giuffria about the recent events and how they may affect the sale of the mansion. The home at 4 Jefferson Crossing is 13,000 square feet. It has 6 bedrooms and 10 bathrooms. It's listed at $4.35 million.
It's become notorious now because it's associated with Fotis Dulos. Time will tell whether or not this house will sell and what it'll sell for.
Giuffria also said that despite being one of the nicest homes in Farmington, in general, the market for houses over $2 million is a very difficult one. Download the Channel 3 app. We'll have the latest all day on the Dulos case.